Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Samsung refrigerator filter is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components for maintaining the pristine quality of your drinking water and the overall efficiency of your appliance, ensuring that every glass you pour is free from impurities and that your refrigerator operates at its peak performance for longer periods. Number 5. Waterspecialist DA29-00020B Samsung Refrigerator Water Filter. Experience cleaner, better tasting water with our advanced refrigerator filter. It's designed to significantly reduce common impurities for your peace of mind. Rest assured, this filter is certified by NSF 42 and 372, ensuring it meets strict standards for safety and performance in your home. Enjoy refreshing water thanks to our premium coconut shell carbon block. It effectively tackles chlorine, improving both taste and odor. Never forget to replace your filter again. Included date labels help you track usage, ensuring you always have access to high-quality filtered water for up to 6 months. Crafted with BPA-free, food-grade materials and certified lead-free, this filter prioritizes your health and delivers consistent, reliable filtration. This round filter is a direct replacement for specific Samsung models, offering a perfect fit and seamless integration into your refrigerator. What we like? This filter offers excellent filtration performance, certified by NSF 42 and 372. It uses natural coconut shell carbon to improve taste and odor. If you're looking for a reliable filter that also helps you remember when to replace it with included date labels, this is a great choice for maintaining clean drinking water. What people say. The Waterspecialist DA29-00020B fits my Samsung refrigerator perfectly and was easy to install. It quickly improved the taste and clarity of my water and ice. Everything tastes fresh and clean. The filter feels sturdy and well-made, and it works just like the original Samsung filter at a fraction of the cost. I appreciate that it's compatible and reliable, giving me confidence in my drinking water. Fit and working well. Water flow is good. No change at all. Same fit as the one sold in the store. Easy to change and install. No noise and functions normally. Number 4. Waterdrop DA29-00020B Refrigerator Water Filter. This filter is designed to be compatible with a wide range of Samsung refrigerator models. It's a versatile replacement option for various part numbers, ensuring a good fit for many homes. Rest assured, this filter is certified by NSF and IAPMO for effective reduction of 20 substances. It meets strict standards for water purification, bringing you healthy drinking water. Experience superior filtration that reduces chlorine, taste, and odor. It effectively removes harmful chemicals and contaminants, ensuring you get clean, pure water every time. Enjoy a perfect fit and easy installation without any tools. Our filter is designed for a secure, leak-free experience, getting you clean water in minutes. Crafted with 100% Sri Lankan coconut shell carbon, this filter offers significantly improved filtration. Its advanced material ensures superior impurity removal for cleaner water. Enjoy the convenience of fresh, crisp water right from your refrigerator. Say goodbye to impurities and bottled water, and hello to great-tasting water all year round. What we like? This filter provides deep filtration, reducing harmful chemicals and even 95.3% of PFOA and PFOS. It's designed for a great fit and easy, tool-free installation. If you prioritize advanced contaminant reduction and a simple replacement process, this filter is ideal for ensuring healthy drinking water for your family. What people say. Water tastes clean and fresh. Works great. The installation was quick and easy, and the water tastes clean and fresh just like with the name brand filters. No leaks, no weird noises, and it fits perfectly every time. More importantly, the water tastes good and comes out clear. Number 3. Waterdrop DA29-00020B Refrigerator Water Filter. Experience cleaner, purer water with our advanced refrigerator filter. It's designed to significantly reduce impurities and contaminants, ensuring your family always has access to fresh, great-tasting water. Rest assured with authoritative certifications from NSF and IAPMO. This filter is proven to reduce a wide range of harmful substances, providing you with confidence in every glass. Our filter goes beyond basic purification, reducing chlorine, bad taste, odor, and even harmful chemicals like PFOA and PFOS. Enjoy truly clean and pure water. Enjoy a perfect fit and easy installation, just like the original. No tools are needed, and you can have it up and running in minutes with our simple guide. Crafted with premium Sri Lankan coconut shell carbon, our filter offers superior efficacy. Its larger surface area and more micropores ensure a vastly improved filtration performance. Say goodbye to bottled water and enjoy the convenience of crisp, clean water directly from your refrigerator. It's the perfect solution for fresh-tasting water all year round. What we like? This option offers a comprehensive solution for cleaner water, specifically highlighting its ability to reduce lead, benzene, chlorine, and bad taste. With a 4-filter pack, it's a cost-effective choice for long-term use. If you're concerned about specific contaminants like lead and want a bulk supply for great-tasting water, this filter is a solid pick. What people say. Water tastes clean and fresh. Works great and is a good value for the price. These filters are great for my Samsung refrigerator. Always fit perfectly. No leaks. Great price. Very easy to replace. These Waterdrop DA29-00020B refrigerator water filters work perfectly in my fridge. The installation was quick and easy, and the water tastes clean and fresh just like with the name brand filters. Number 2. Waterdrop DA29-00020B refrigerator water filter. Tired of worrying about water leaks from ill-fitting refrigerator filters? Our replacement ensures a secure fit, giving you peace of mind. Reduce harmful impurities in your drinking water effortlessly. This filter effectively removes contaminants, ensuring you have clean water every time. Experience a significant upgrade from traditional charcoal filters. Our advanced coconut shell carbon block absorbs more impurities for superior filtration. Enjoy a noticeable improvement in the taste of your water. It's designed to provide a unique and refreshing drinking experience. This filter is designed to be compatible with a wide range of Samsung refrigerator models, ensuring a perfect fit for your appliance. Replacing your old filter is simple and straightforward. Enjoy clean, great-tasting water in minutes with easy installation. What we like? This filter is designed to prevent water leakages with its secure fit and effectively absorbs more impurities thanks to its coconut shell carbon block. It significantly improves the taste of your drinking water. If you're looking for a straightforward solution to improve water taste and ensure a leak-free experience, this single filter pack is a convenient option. What people say. My family and I honestly can't tell the difference in how it works. Installation is easy as long as you do it quickly. These fit quite nicely. Number 1. GLACIER Fresh LT 1000 PC Replacement Water and Air Filter. Introducing the GLACIER Fresh LT 1000 PC filter. It's designed to fit various models, ensuring compatibility with your refrigerator. This filter is tested to NSF 42 standards, removing 97.9% of chlorine. Experience improved taste and smell in your water. With premium coconut shell carbon, it effectively minimizes contaminants. Replace it every 6 months for optimal performance. It also includes a compatible fresh air filter to keep your refrigerator smelling great. This helps preserve the freshness of your food. Both filters are easy to replace, ensuring your refrigerator's water and air remain pure. Enjoy peace of mind with every use. Choose GLACIER Fresh for reliable filtration. Keep your water and air pure and fresh with our trusted replacement filters. What we like? This product not only filters water, removing 97.9% of chlorine for better taste and smell, but also includes a fresh air filter to keep your refrigerator odor-free. It's tested to NSF 42 standards for performance. If you want a dual-action solution that enhances both your water quality and the freshness inside your fridge, this bundled option is a smart choice. What people say. This filter pack, which includes 3 water filters and 3 air filters, provides a comprehensive solution that enhances both the taste of water and the freshness of your refrigerator's interior. The installation process is notably straightforward, fitting seamlessly into the designated compartment of compatible LG refrigerator models. After installation, the difference in water quality is immediately noticeable, with a clean and refreshing taste that rivals bottled water. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.